I am changing my eufy robovac battery. You will know if the battery needs changing if it doesn't charge and can't run anymore. This is easy. Let me guide you through. Also, I will send the link for my other video for reference. I remove all the screws in the bottom, and this is how it should look after disassembling it. The battery compartment is at the bottom of the board. Make sure to keep all the screws and take pictures before you detach all the connections. This helps with putting it back together. I have a 14.4 volt lithium battery, but it has a different connector. I can't find the right connector, but no worries. All you have to do is cut the connector and connect the old connector. I used a torch to peel the wires, but whatever is convenient for you is okay. Crimp sleeves work well with this. When done, put it all together. Tap the front bumper with your finger to see if it moves freely and springs back into place. And voila, you have a working robovac again.